Guys, I hope you are all fresh, and today is a crazy day already for Bitcoin as things are unfolding here on the chart, and it could get still a little bit worse than what we are seeing here, because I found something on the weekly chart that is severely concerning to me, because I have never seen something like that happen in the history of Bitcoin. If you think that is interesting, then definitely smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, activate the bell, and we will also talk about an amazing project that I think has huge potential in the next coming months to blow up like crazy. Let's talk about this at the end of the video. And now let's jump directly into today's content here. So first of all, I'm gonna show you what I have found here on the BLX chart, the Brave New Coin chart. So Bitcoin was always entering into a new bull run when we were above this specific support line of this logarithmic growth curve chart here. So, but now for the first time in Bitcoin's history, when we zoom in here, we got rejected and are trending lower. That has never happened before, as far as I can see here on the chart. When we were so close to break back into that. So let me have a look here. Okay, it happened twice. Okay, I go back, so I admit when I'm wrong. So it happened twice in 2016 and in 2015 and 2016. There we had this in the past. But of course, that is bearish. When we go back here to 2015, so here we got an initial break to the downside, and then we got a candle formation that was signaling that we have a reversal and we're running back up here in 2015. So that was actually bullish to get this pattern. So, but here in 2016 it looks different. 2016, that looks similar to what we have right now. We were dropping out of that channel, and now we have here this confirmation candle today or this week that we further breaking down away from that channel, and then it was a slowly grind back into this channel. So, and I think that is something that could be happening right now here. So we got here the first rejection, came down, consolidated a little bit, went up. Now we get a second rejection within 6 months time, which is obviously not good. So, and the next support here on the weekly chart is at $20,400. So if we lose that, we could even go lower. And also the RSI is here trending to the downside, which is of course bad. So we are still in the bullish area of the RSI. So, but if we get into neutral, things can accelerate here really, really quick. And really, really bad for Bitcoin. So we have, of course, also tomorrow the Fed announcement again. So that will, of course, also have an impact on the markets, and that could drive Bitcoin down to the next support area on the lower time frames, like here on the 4-hourly chart, all the way down to $20,700. As we are here still in a downtrend based on the Super Guppy indicator. We are actually also now gotten rejected today from the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly. That's of course also really, really bearish for the immediate short term for Bitcoin. So, and also on the daily chart here, after we broke this rising wedge here to the downside, we are now trapped between support and resistance. And this candle pattern that I see here, that is continuation. That will be continuation to the downside. I don't see any possibility that Bitcoin can break here up and reverse like this. I don't think this is going to happen. I believe we get maybe another day tomorrow, and with the Fed announcement, we could actually break into here this range of 20,500 all the way up to 21,500. So $1,000 range that we could drop into. If we lose that range, then we go all the way back down to $19,600 approximately. So I would not short right now if you're not already in a short. I had told you guys short at $22,300. So if you're not in that short right now, I would be really careful with shorting today, at least. Wait until tomorrow, unless we are breaking $21,400. That would be a new short entry for me. Before I would not be shorting. And here I would also wait for a 4-hourly candle to actually get confirmation that we are further breaking down. So, of course, if you want to take this trade, then don't forget, on BYBIT you still get $30,000 absolutely for free for signing up when you deposit a little bit of money with that specific link here in the pinned comment below. And also on Bitget you get still $20,000 absolutely for free for using my specific link here. So now let's talk about the sponsored content that I have today. First of all, even though it's sponsored, I must say I really like this project. So there's absolutely with no relationship to if it's sponsored or not. When they came to me, I had a look at it, and I must say I really like it, and it's really easy to use to actually make money here, because now we are still technically in a bear market, and we have to look at other ways how we can make money in the bear market, and that here is a great way to make money in a bear market. So we are talking about here Iguverse. Iguverse is an NFT game that you can download on the App Store and also on Google Play. On the App Stores, they are actually always under the top 5 most downloaded games, which is insane. I have the statistics here. They have shown me the direct print out of their app store, out of their dashboard. So, and they have found a way to socialize NFT gaming. So what do I mean by that? So when you play that game, to actually earn money with that, you have to share the pet that you can create on the app on social media. You can do it on TikTok, on Instagram, on whatever, where you share your pet ID. And then there are people out there, they're going to verify if you have actually shared your pet ID. So when you have shared it, you're going to get a certain amount of energy for that, and that you can convert back into Ego tokens. And that's how you can get paid then. So that is one aspect. The other aspect is that they have something like Steppin, where you need to walk around with your pet. And then the third component is that, so wait, there's walking, sharing, and playing. Yeah, actually playing, you know. So and the game, I must say, it's not so easy to play to get to the full tokens or coins that are just game related. You cannot withdraw them or something. It's just to measure how good you are in the game, to earn more energy, which that you can convert them back into tokens. So Iguverse uses also AI to generate NFT avatars. I have used them myself. They are looking really nice. You can also use your own pet with some backgrounds that you can choose. You have a variety of choices where you can choose from. And this game is already around for a little bit, but not many people are talking about it, even though it is going so crazy. I can also drop you some big names that are involved with the game. One of them, for example, is Morgenstern. Morgenstern is a really big Russian superstar. He's a rapper, singer. He's really famous in Russia. So I lived over 3.5 years in Ukraine, so of course I know who Morgenstern is. And there are also some other big American people involved that everybody knows. I'm not sure if I can share who it is, but I can tell you there are 2 celebrities from the US also involved in that game, and they are actually playing that game, you know. So it's not like that that they are just doing promotion for it. No, they're actually playing the game. These superstars playing the game to make more money. So here, when we go to CoinGecko and look at Iguverse, Iguverse is up more or less 0.5% today. You see it's just a little bit over 1.5 cents. So when we look at the market cap, where I can see this here. Okay, strange. On CoinGecko, I cannot see the market cap, which is okay. That it's not a big issue to not see. Here, there we go. No, that's just the volume. So yeah, okay. So for now, I cannot see the market cap, but it's in the white paper, of course. Of course, in the white paper we can find it. So, but I believe here based on what I'm seeing, just there is not that crazy volume in the last 24 hours, but the game is live since a couple of months, so they are just starting to promote it now. So that's why the volume of almost 300k is for me still a good sign. And when we go to the white paper, when we want to look here at the tokens, so you can see here, let me see the total that is going around. So here you can see the maximum supply is 400 million tokens. So and that will get it to $32 million market cap. So that is so here last round price. Okay, so it would be double right now. No, 8 cents. So it's way less. So it's like 5 times less the market cap right now. So that means it's around $6 million market cap. So I'm looking actively always for these kind of gems where I find coins that are under 10 million market cap, because these are coins that can do easily in the next bull run 20 to 50x. I'm not saying that Iguverse gonna do that, but they have the characteristics of projects that are able to achieve that. So now with Iguverse, you also should know that they're about to have an SHO on DAO Maker that you can still participate in. They are launching that today, and tomorrow they have an listing announcement. So if let me know what you think, where they're gonna list tomorrow in the comments below. I'm curious if you're gonna guess where they're gonna list tomorrow. The team is absolutely doxed. They're all doxed, so you can see on the names that these people are from Ukraine. I was talking quite a bit already with Bogdan Zahorodny. That's how you pronounce his name. They are really, really fast in responding, which I really like. I like teams that are hands-on, that I can actually work with and not wait like 20 hours for a response when I'm working with a project. So they are really hands-on also when it comes everything game related with the game. When I had questions to play the game, they were directly there and helping me. So now let's have a look in the app how everything is working there. So here you see the inside of the app when I launched the app. So of course, when you do it for the first time, it will ask you to create a wallet. So first we create the wallet with the seed phrase, then we confirm the wallet, and then you basically get into the app here. So here you see, here are my collections. I have in total 11 NFTs, 10 that I have paid for. And I have no mystery boxes yet. So you see up here is the energy, the tokens, if I would have tokens yet on it to hold. And you see here also the health of the pet. You see the level experience that I have. I have 4 on that one. It's a rare one. I have here daily unlock 50% of the tokens if I convert my energy into the tokens, and here the earning, so you can see that I have no bonuses yet available. And here is the token ID, and I can of course verify that on BSC scan. So now when you want to create one of your NFTs, you just simply click here on the plus symbol under my collection, and then you choose the NFT that you want to do. So you can even get here a free NFT and earn with that. As you can see, you will make 50 cents per day with that. So which is of course already not bad. Your pet will live 60 days and you have 6% unlocked daily on that. Then you have here these other ones: starter, common, uncommon, unusual, rare. And the other ones beneath that, you have to level your NFT up to these levels. So you cannot just buy them. So you see here the rare one is the most expensive one that you can buy. Here in the app, it's $1,200. But if you go to the web app, then it's way cheaper, because they don't have to pay the App Store 30% for basically commission to be listed on the App Store, which is insane, 30%. So how you get to the web app? Yes, I want to finish. So you go here to your settings, and then you go to let me see where it was here, web app login. So you click on that, then you get to the web app, you import your wallet seed phrase that you got from the app into the web app. Then you have the same layout like in the app, and then you just buy it through the web app and you get a massive discount. So now you of course need to link some of your social media accounts. Here you see I have my Instagram account linked to it. You can link Facebook and also TikTok if you want. And then you can also here manage your wallet settings here in the settings. So, and what's then of course also important is, let me show you that. So they have a charity aspect, so you can actually donate to different charities with what you earn. And you have here your statistics, you have here the leaderboard, how much energy was here collected over the last 30 days, and also how many tasks were completed. So now when we want to play the app, so you see here, start playing, game round ends in 10 hours. So how you're gonna play is you click on start playing. Then it will show you here, share your pet on social media, walk your pet, play your with your pet. So I will play now, and I will show you then. Here, start playing. Maybe I still need to wait for my energy. Let me check. Do I not have one? I have 6 energy today. Okay, let me check if I can actually play right now. So start playing. So here you see it's loading right now. This just takes a second, and there you go. I can tell you it is not as easy as it looks here. See, I lost already 1 life. 2 lives. Okay, today is not my day for playing this. Oh. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm starting to sweat here playing this. So the more fruits you collect, the further you get ahead. You see, I finished already. But I can of course play more if I want. Trust me, it is really not easy to play this. So I want to get it to 1,000 stars because that's the maximum that I can get. But yeah, you see, if you want to catch these fruits, it's not as easy as you think it is. See here, I have almost now 1,000 stars. I think I need 2 more fruits for that. See, there I'm now over 1,000, and then I stop, yes, leave. So and then you see I have 12 energy, I have 6 energy collected today, collected experiences 22, and then I can go to the other tasks. So, and if you do all these tasks in total together, then you can get up to 100 energy, and that you can then convert into tokens. So when I go here to history, I've played yesterday for the first time. So you see here the playing tasks. So yes, 2 days ago I played for the first time, then yesterday, and then today. And you see today I sucked, you know. So but that happens. So and then you still can do all these other activities. So I will go in a second out and also walk to make more energy and share it again on my social media accounts. So and that's basically how the earning mechanism works in the game. And you see here the energy got already distributed here to all my NFTs, which is also really nice. And yeah, they're at full health, so I don't need to restore any energy yet on these NFTs, which is also nice. So, and then if you want to share that with a friend, you just go to invites. Here you have a referral link, and you can get here up to 2% for direct referrals, and indirect referrals you can get up to 1%. So you can actually make money on top of the money that you earn with the NFTs. I think that's it for the app so far. Let's go back to the video. So there you see it's really easy to create your pets, to all these other functions, to share it on social media. There you also saw how much you can earn with it. so which should help you if you had any further questions to that. Like I said, they are launching today on DAO Maker, their SHO. Go to DAO Maker if you want to participate in that. You will also find all the links to the content in the description of the video and in the pinned comment below. And of course, the earnings, I want to get quick into the earnings of Iguverse. So when you are having one of these paid NFTs, they have a lifespan that's actually explained, what I showed in the app. And there you also see what you would potentially earn if you hold one of these NFTs. So what I really like about Iguverse is that these NFTs have an expiry date. So with that expiry date, you have basically 3 months, more or less, for the NFTs that you can actually buy. 3 months to earn money with them on a daily basis for tasks that will take you like 20-30 minutes a day to make some money with that. That's how you can make money with that. So normally after a month you have the money back, and then the other 2 months you are actually generating profit out of it. Then after the 3 months are over and your NFT basically dies, you can resurrect the NFT and continue at the same level that you had, no matter if you are already on a level that is higher than the one that you can pay for, because there you have to level up your NFTs to get to these higher levels where you earn more. I specifically asked the team yesterday if that is the case. They said yes, if you are, let's say, on Diamond and your NFT pet is dies, then of course you're gonna resurrect your NFT at the Diamond level for the price of whatever you paid initially for this NFT, which is amazing. So, and that is, in my opinion, to sum it up, a really nice project to make some good money here in the bear market. Of course, you have to invest a little bit to get these NFTs where you pay, where you get paid for, but you have the money back after 1 month, and then you have 2 months of profit. And that is something a really interesting concept and different than other projects like Steppen, where you just buy the shoes, you earn the money, you own the shoes forever. And I think that was one of the mistakes that Steppen made, that they have fixed, that they said, no, our NFTs are not collectibles, they're expiring, you have to resurrect them, you have to actually also feed your pet and restore energy. And yeah, that's basically about it already. If you have any further questions, let me know in the pinned comment in the comments below. I will try to answer everything as much as I can. And something else that I wanted to mention before I let you guys go: if you buy the NFTs through the web app, it is on a 30% discount, because the team doesn't have to pay Apple for what Apple is charging. So if you go into the app and you do it in the app through the web application, you can save 30% on these NFTs, and that is of course something that we're gonna take advantage of. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know if you want more content like that. Bye bye.